In this video I'm going to show you how to make some Columbus Day bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. I click Create New Bingo Card Project. Now I'm ready to create my bingo card, and I'm given a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I can create blank bingo cards, enter my own words or items to go on the bingo card, choose the alphabet, and I'll start with alphabet letters on it, numbers, choose school subjects such as geography, history, science, maths. I can choose English, which includes English grammar and English as a second language, languages, which includes French, German, Spanish. But in this particular case, I want to choose holidays. And if I look on there, there are options like 4th of July, that's American Independence Day, Canada Day, Christmas, Halloween, Easter, New Year, and so forth. But the example I want in this particular video is Columbus Day. So I'm going to click on Columbus Day, either double click on it or click on it once and then click OK. Now I've created my initial Columbus Day bingo card here. List of words relating to Columbus Day are displayed here. If you're not familiar with them all, I'm sure you'll find them all in the encyclopedia or online in somewhere like Wikipedia. But they're all related to Columbus Day. Now I can add additional items to the list of words and phrases by typing them in here. So for example, if I want to add an option saying let's say exploration as my example, I can simply type it in and it appears at the end of the list. Now the list was initially in alphabetical order, but any new items I add are at the bottom of the list, and there are in fact quite a range of options for manipulating and customizing the list. In this place, if I click sort, it will resort that into alphabetical order, including my new items. I can also delete items I don't want. So for example, if I don't want New World, I simply highlight it and click delete, and it's no longer one of my words. And so I can make the word list as customized as I like. I can also customize the size and appearance of the bingo cards. I can make smaller bingo cards such as 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, which is of course is what I started with in this example, or a larger one such as a 6x6, although as you can see there's quite a few blank spaces here because I don't have enough words in this list to fill out a 6x6, so I'd have to enter more words to make a 6x6 bingo card. So we'll go back to 5x5. I can also change whether or not to have this heading on the bingo card, and I could change the text of it from the word bingo to something else if I wanted to. Change whether or not to change the free space in the bingo card here, and again I could potentially change the heading if I wanted to, change the text in that square. As well as that, I can also change the fonts and colours of the bingo card, and I can do that for individual elements like the heading, the squares and the free space. So let's change the square colours. We'll make the squares very light blue. We'll make the free space a nice light pink colour. We'll change the heading to be yellow text on a red background, and we'll change the lines to be a dark green colour. So it's quite a bright colour combination, maybe not to everybody's taste, but it will give you an idea that you can in fact change all the colours of the bingo card. So there's my sample bingo card with these new colours. The sample bingo card also happens to display the words in the same order here as they are shown in this list. In the real bingo cards, when I print them out, every bingo card will contain a different random combination of words in a different random order, and we'll see that in a moment. As well as customizing the actual bingo cards, I can also have a range of options controlling how they're printed. The first option is called Print Call List, which I can turn on or off. Basically, if it's on, this list of items is printed on a heading sheet with the words in a random order. If you're using the bingo cards in a classroom situation, you're the teacher, you need to be working as a bingo caller, it gives you a written reference to work from, which can be very useful. If you don't want it, simply turn it off like this. If you want it, turn it on. Second option is how many bingo cards to print per page. Put more than one bingo card on each printed page, which is very useful if you're printing a lot of bingo cards and you want to save paper. The disadvantage of putting more than one per page is you potentially have to cut the paper up, and of course each individual bingo card might be smaller. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want? I can put any number between 1 and 9,999, and the software will print that many different bingo cards all of them different from each other. So in my example, I'm going to put in 50, and I'm now ready to print, and I can either do print or I'm going to do print preview in this example, so you can see what the printout would look like. The first page is a call list, a list of words in random order that I've already mentioned. Next page is my first bingo card. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole bingo card there, and you can see the words arranged randomly in the bingo card, of course in my chosen colours. And if I do next page, you'll see the second bingo card is different, and the next page, the third one is different, next page, the fourth one is different, and so on as I go through my 50 bingo cards. Okay, I'll close the print preview, and before we reach the end of the video, I'll just show you one other thing, which is the software, as well as having a call list printing facility, includes a facility to help the bingo caller choose items during the gameplay by having this option called Call Game. And what it does is it will sort of interactively help you choose the items to call out if you're the bingo caller. First thing it does is choose one item here, which it shows there, and it shows you the current chosen item and any previously chosen items on the left hand side here. So when I click next, it will choose a new current item, and then it will show me the previous item was Parades, the current item is Bahamas. Now when I click next, I'll get another new current item, Christopher Columbus, and the other two scroll down, and so forth. So I add a fourth item, a fifth item, and so on. And eventually a scroll bar will appear on the left hand side. But you can always go back and review what the previous items were. Okay, that's it for this video. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download it from bingocardprinter.com. There is a free trial version of the software, which is of course free. Lets you try out the program, see what you think. The free trial version comes with hundreds of templates for ready-to-use bingo activities to get you started. If you like it, you can register and upgrade to the full version, which is what I've shown you in this video. And hopefully you will. The software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows. So go to the website, download it, try it out, see what you think. Thank you very much.